Today I'll be reviewing these 12 6-inch LED recessed ceiling lights. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, just showing you everything that's included in your box, how they work, what it looks like. But first and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me these so I could give my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check these out. All right, so I just opened it up. As you can see, you get this in there, and then you also get your manual just to go ahead and let you know exactly how to set it up, your installation instructions. So I'm going to turn it around just to show you briefly how it is. It looks very simple. It looks like it has 6 different steps on how to do it. It does state you will need a power drill, a ladder, safety goggles, installation gloves, wire cutters. So as you can see, you do get a total of 6 boxes, but each one includes 2 of your recess lights along with your junction box. So let's go ahead and take one out of the package and I'll show you what it looks like. So I went ahead and took one out of the box. As you can see, they're neatly packaged inside the box. So let me go ahead and take it out. So you can see 2 of them come in there. So they are both neatly packed. Going to go ahead and take one out. So you can see it has a very nice slim design. So these are going to be going up in your ceiling, and the way that you want to do it is you want to cut the hole once you are all set up, and I'll show you the junction box as well so you can see the wiring on it. It does have these little springs right here on the side, so this is really neat. Once you place it in your ceiling, you're just going to drop it, and that's going to hold this light in place. Then you're going to be connecting this right here to your junction box. But take a look, very, very nice flushed look once these go in your ceiling. So you also get both junction boxes. So you get your 2 recessed lights per box along with your 2 junction boxes. And this is what the junction box looks like. And this is going to be the part that's going to go with your recessed lights once you install the wiring inside of the box. So as you can see, this is simple. Your junction box and your recess light, you're going to want to go ahead and hook these 2 up together. It does have little holes right here, so I'll show you, give you a close-up. It does have those 2 little holes that you will be connecting with those 2 in there. And there is arrows on there, so it's going to go ahead and guide you to make sure that these are actually in the right position. Once you hook these up together, then you just simply want to go ahead and twist this right here to make a secure connection. And this is what your junction box looks like. It does have an opening tab, so you want to go ahead and open that up like that. So simple. Everything that you need is already in here. So you do get this inside of here. And then these are the wires inside of the junction box. So what you want to do is hook those up to your existing wiring. In the instructions, they do have a detailed description on how you want to connect your wirings, especially with what kind of color goes to what. And if in case you would like to know, these are 1100 lumens. And also if you're interested, the color temperature on these, they do have a variety of options, but this one in particular is 5000. And as it also stated on the box, these are Energy Star certified. But overall, if you're looking for some nice recessed lights, not too bulky, really easy to install, I would definitely recommend these.
Here's what to expect with your new recessed lights. I currently have some recessed lights in our home already, so I wanted to give you a small example of what to expect with your new lights.